Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Here we're gonna see in details how everything works with the shopping cart via Google Sheets powered by bcommute.com. Once you install everything from the template from bcommute, you will get the spreadsheet named BC Cart template created in your Google account. And there will be two sheets over here. One is the catalog sample and another one in the cart, which is obviously empty right now. And there will be a bunch of configurations that appeared at your bcommute account. And of course, you will install the Manychat template, which is super small and simple, as you can see. There are just a couple of dynamic content blocks, starting step, and the checkout message, which is just a sample. So let's start from the Manychat template. The starting step is super simple, is the user input, where you ask the subscriber to choose the food type that you have over here in the catalog, in the column B, that will be looked up. You save the result to the custom field named BC search word 1, and that's it. Then you go to dynamic content message that has to show the catalog. Let's see how it works. Let's click say meat. Well, as you understand, it will show all the meat offers over here, and all the configuration for these gallery cards you can find right here. As you can see, the spreadsheet, the sheet name, message type, gallery cards, title, subtitle, and picture are taken from these columns like A, D, and E. As you can see, right here. Everything's pretty simple. Then there are two buttons. One of them is a going back button, which is going just to the starting step. The name of the starting step is right here. And another button is a button type add to cart. That means that once you click it, bcommute will add this item to subscriber's cart. If there's no cart for this subscriber, it will be created. So the button type add to cart, button caption can be like whatever you want. What you have to specify, what is specified right here, is the sheet for the cart, which is, as you can see, copy of BC cart. And this sheet has to have the specific structure, only this one, otherwise it won't work. And also you specify the column with the price. This column is taken from the catalog, because we need the price in our cart and it has to be pulled out from somewhere. As you can see, I'm pulling the price from this column, and those are not just pure numbers, and it's okay. It will just get the actual price with no problems. And also we are setting up the follow-up dynamic content, which is the message generated dynamically that will show up for the subscriber once he or she clicks add to cart, and it will say that the item was added. So let's click and see how it works. We click here. Here's the cart was created for this subscriber. As you can see, it has subscriber ID, item description, quantity, price per one item, total price is the whole price for multiple items, the date, picture URL, and element URL if you have it, and there's also the chat URL, so you can click and go straight to live chat with the subscriber if you need it. And here's the follow-up message that you can see here. And this is another configuration that you have in bcommute. As you can see, cart add reply message. You just configure it and choose out of ones of the configurations that you have. It has just a message with the item name, item price, some other words, and a couple of buttons. Let's just add some more items to the cart. As you can see, when I add the same item, it will just modify the quantity. I add another one, it will add a new item, the price is calculated, and again the follow-up message is showing up. So let's see the follow-up message configuration. Is like super easy. Here's the follow-up message. Actually, it can be pulled out from Google Sheets and be super original for each of one, but this is the cart, and I prefer it to be manual, so I just enter it right here. Here's the message. As you can see, the item name, item price. This kind of framing means that the item name and the price will be taken out of Google Sheets from actually here. And there are those two buttons that you can see here. Another category is going just to starting step, just as I've shown before, and another one is going to another dynamic content message in our flow. As you can see, the name of it here. Here's the name of it. So this dynamic content is responsible for showing the cart. So let's click the cart and see how it works. The cart configurations are right here. As you can see, the same spreadsheet but different sheet, the BC cart. So it works in a pretty simple way. It just goes to this sheet and searches the cart by subscriber ID, and then shows all the items that this subscriber has in its cart. The cart message is not just a gallery cart. As you can see, it's followed by another regular message. So the gallery cart itself has just one button, remove from cart, and that's it. And there's the follow-up message that goes right after it, and it's totally customizable. In my case, it's it's just showing the total price, which is pretty much the same here, and some options in the buttons. Another cool thing, that if you have not just one item in the cart, as you can see, we have two same items, so it will add the amount to the title. Okay, in the configuration it looks like this. The follow-up message, pretty much the same that we've just seen for the add to cart button. It's just one of the configurations that you have here. It's just the dynamic message, and just one button, remove from cart, over here, and it's not going anywhere. It's just the button type, remove from cart, so the bcommute will know that it has to remove this item upon click from the spreadsheet. The button caption, that can be whatever you want, and the follow-up dynamic content, which is the message that will be shown up once you click remove from cart, and once the item is deleted, it will say that item name is deleted. Let's see how it's configured. Again, same thing. Here's the message that will be shown. The item name will be replaced with the item name that you choose, and there will be just one button taking you to the view cart message in this, so taking you to this dynamic content block in the flow. That's pretty much it. Let's get back to the cart. What we also see here, oh, okay, so there's the follow-up message over here. It goes right after the gallery cards showing the items. So again, it's pretty much the same. Here's the message, the total sum, the total price will be pulled out from the Google Sheets, so that's why it's framed and will be replaced, as you can see. There are 3 buttons over here. The back to shopping, it's taking us to the starting step. Checkout is taking us to this checkout message. It's just a sample message because starting from this message you can configure whatever you want and connect any checkout message that is convenient for you, that you're using, any payment system or whatever you want. Also, we have the clear cart button, which is the clear cart type. If you choose it as a clear cart, Bcommute will know that it has to remove the whole cart for this subscriber. And of course, there's also the follow-up message generated dynamically. Again, it looks exactly the same. That will just say that the cart was cleared and give some other button options. So again, if we're going to cart configurations, you can see the custom field for the total price here. That means that each time the cart is shown in the messenger, it will save the total price to this custom field, so you can use it later. And another cool thing, that once you click the remove from cart, and in case you have more than one item of this type, let's say, in your cart, it will ask you to it will ask you for confirmation, like how many items you want to remove. And there are some options with the quick replies that you can click, but you can also just type in the amount that you want to remove from the spreadsheet. Let's say it will be like this, and here you go. The quantity was changed, and here's the follow-up message that we've just seen in the configurations, that the item name was removed from the cart and just one button, and in the spreadsheet the quantity was reduced, the total price was recalculated. So if we click view cart right now, as you can see, it's showing the gallery cart that shows the items in your cart with one button, and the follow-up message showing the actual price, and some other buttons to give you some more options. So let's say we want to delete this one. If there's just one piece of this item, it will be a product, it will be just deleted, and that's it. What else we have here is the clear cart button that will remove the whole cart for this subscriber. And that's pretty much it. That's how it works. All the things that you want to change, you can easily customize over here. You can change them over here. You can change pretty much everything, starting from the catalog. You can connect your own spreadsheet. You don't have to copy it to that one that was installed, but it's up to you. All the messages can be modified. The buttons might be added or removed. It's totally up to you. Everything is configured over here, and in your Manychat you just have one dynamic content node. That's it. That's how the shopping cart from Google Sheets work out of the becommute.com template. So install this cool solution and make your bots work for you in a really amazing way, showing you all the information and allowing you to track everything. Thank you for watching.